Here's, I think, the most important thing with the data. If you are vaccinated, fully vaccinated, the chance of you getting seriously ill or dying from COVID is effectively zero. If you look at the people that are...
Now at 5, Governor Ron DeSantis praising vaccine effectiveness despite rejecting most safety measures like mandatory mask mandates. The governor making the remarks in St. Petersburg today. 66% of Floridians have been vaccinated. That's just shy of the national average of 68%. And we're getting a look tonight from inside the intensive care unit at Memorial Regional Hospital as nurses in both Miami-Dade and Broward counties speak out about their stress as cases of COVID-19 surge. Their message to residents here in Florida is getting a vaccine could save your life.
CBS 4's Peter Dench joins us live from Jackson Memorial Hospital. And Peter, the stress must be overwhelming.
Well, Lauren and Elliot, that is so correct. In fact, these nurses in 2 counties say they are facing unprecedented stress. The number of coronavirus cases in both of their healthcare systems has more than doubled this past month. Now, we obtained brand new video showing 2 nurses in their personal protective equipment while working demanding 12-hour shifts.
It's been pretty difficult. My unit was converted to a COVID ICU unit last January, so we've been dealing with this for about 1.5 years now.
Memorial Regional Hospital COVID ICU nurse Allie Adams says her work has been particularly challenging.
We thought all the case numbers were going down.
But the number of COVID patients this month at Memorial Healthcare has jumped from 94 to 234 people. Most are not vaccinated and are young. Nurse Christine Giannatino also carefully suits up in this PPE for her shift inside Memorial Regional.
It's been very stressful on us since the beginning. I think initially we weren't expecting the severity of it. Also, just the unknown was pretty stressful for us.
The sentiments are shared by these 2 nurses and a medical assistant from the Miami Transplant Institute in the Jackson Health System, where the number of COVID patients has jumped from 66 to 143 people in 2 weeks. Most are not vaccinated.
The stress level for it is absolutely high. You know, we thought it would be over, and then all of a sudden the rates are right back up again. It's like we started at square one all over again. It's tough because you're being exposed every day to COVID, and then you have to go home to your family. And sometimes you go home, you have to undress in front of your home so you don't expose everybody.
Nikki Strong is a nurse practitioner at the Transplant Institute.
For us, we're over there in the transplant center, so it's very stressful for us because our patients are already immunocompromised. We felt like a sense of maybe getting back to some type of normalcy, but now we're going back the other way.
They say vaccinations are critical.
There's a lot of people that are positive, that don't show any symptoms, that can pass it on to others.
Definitely protecting yourself first and foremost, and then additionally protecting your loved ones, protecting our community. You know, the more of us that are vaccinated, the better this will become.
I can't stress it enough. I think it's very important. It could save your life. It can lower the symptoms. You might not get the severe symptoms that someone that isn't vaccinated might get.
Now, adding to their stress, the traveling nurses from other areas who used to help out by working different shifts are no longer here as they were during the height of the pandemic. Meanwhile, both healthcare systems are limiting visitors. Memorial Healthcare may add further restrictions in the future. We're live in Miami. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.